And another way that you can have people support you is by getting them engaged in the creation and promotional process. And this is one that I enjoy the most, and I think works the best for artists, especially when they're first starting out, because this is not really a paid way for people to promote you and support you, but this is a way of you getting your fans to actually work for you for free. So it's kind of like getting paid. So in this tactic, basically, what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to your fans via posts, email, live streams, whatever, whether they are exclusive or public live streams. And you're going to bring them into the creation process by giving them the opportunity to check out some of the unreleased music that you have exclusively via email or private live stream. Okay, that's where you're going to show it to them at. And when you have them check out your music, you're going to ask them their opinion on it, of course. If they like it, if they don't like it, if they see anything you can improve. But aside from that, you're also going to ask them for ideas on music videos. And on top of that, you can also engage them into helping you create these music videos by having them send in their own videos that they created for that song. And this could be videos with them in it, videos of B-roll. Maybe they took videos from your performances that you threw up online, anything, honestly. Let your fans use their own creativity and passion for you to create creative, entertaining content on their own for you. And obviously, I've got to say this as well, too. Before you send out unreleased music to people via private live stream or email, you want to make sure that you have your music copywritten and submitted through your distribution. That way, if it leaks out before you are able to actually officially release it, you can still capitalize off of any of the leaks and not have to worry about technically your music being stolen because you've copywritten it and you have it submitted to distribution, but it's not released yet. So you already have the encoding and everything like that in there. So you have everything backed up on yourself in case there happens to be somebody who is in that level of your fan base who wants to try to profit off of your music, right? Your unreleased stuff. It happens, okay? I mean, depending on when you're listening to this, it's April 2025. Eminem just had something similar happen to him. It wasn't a fan, but it was an engineer or whatever, stole some of his music, leaked it, and sold it or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, engaging your fan base in the creation process, it works wonders because it helps them feel like they're a part of your movement even more than what they already felt like they were. Okay. And this also engages the power of UGC, or what I call user generated content. And they'll be tagging you in it. But this not only grows the popularity of your music by other people creating content for your music aside from just you, but it also engages the algorithm to boost your content and the UGC content that have your music that in it, especially those songs that are being used by more of your fans in their own UGC, and it'll engage the algorithm at a higher rate for those pieces of content with that audio on it. And if you don't already know, UGC is the ultimate form of engagement because it can create trends that people will not only have discussions about online, but also the algorithm will incentivize the organic creation of video content with that song in it because the algorithm will promote that song. So if more and more people start creating music with that song, it runs up the views on their creations with that song. Okay. So UGC is one of the best ways to not only grow your music by far, but is also one of the easiest and best ways to get people to share your music and share in the creation of your promotional content for your music because it promotes them and you at the same time. And honestly, that's why most people are online. They have something they want to say or that they want to share with the world. And they also want to be known within their circles. And they're not going to be known if they're not participating in certain circles that they want to be a part of. Proud of me because my revolutionary faculties got me switching up the game and changing minds. Get them out the system, I'll be saving lives.